everyone, welcome to MasterChef Mom. Today I'm going to share an interesting and super tasty soya chap roll recipe. So simple to make and absolutely delicious. So without delay, let's start cooking. So first step, we have to prepare our soya chap, cut it. So before that, since it was in the refrigerator, I'm going to thaw it by adding some hot water over it. Now I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces like this. So if you don't get soya chap nearby your place, you can use soya nuggets and make this recipe. It will taste equally delicious. So I'm going to cut all the chap into smaller pieces like this. So they are very soft, fresh and soft. See? Now I've cut everything. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder. Next I'm adding Kitchen King masala powder, garam masala and salt. Now I'm just going to mix all the dry spices. Now to this I'm going to add curd, and the most important ingredient, cream. This is fresh cream. Next I'm adding some onions, capsicum, tomatoes, mix of mint leaves and coriander leaves. Mix it well. Also add ginger garlic paste. You can also add freshly crushed ginger and garlic. Next I am adding corn flour. So I am going to mix everything now. Your soya chap is now ready to be pan fried. You can use any white pan or even a dosa tawa. Grease it well and then add your spice mixed soya chap. Let them fry for a few minutes on one side. Do not disturb them, and then flip and cook the other side also till both the sides are well fried. They look gorgeous already. See? They are getting beautifully fried. See, they are well fried now. Our soya chap is ready. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves and mint leaves. So delicious. You can use flatbreads of your choice, chapati, or you can even use tortillas. You can make it at home, or you can even use store-bought tortillas. Add the soya chap and roll it, cut them, and you can serve them along with some freshly cut onions and mint chutney. The recipe for the mint chutney I am giving in the description box below. Do try out this delicious soya chap roll and share your feedback with me.
Wow, Uma has made amazing soya roll. You know, soya chap is something that we have come to enjoy over the last few years here in North, because just like fresh paneer, you get fresh soya in the vegetable shop. You know, you just need to bring it and make a nice soya tikka or soya chap masala. Uma makes a really amazing soya chap masala on the tawa, very nice coating of masala. And then you have it with onion and green chutney, you know, fold it in a roti. So I'm going to now enjoy the soya chap roll. My God, Uma, the soya chap, so soft. At the same time, it's slightly crunchy. You know, you've nicely roasted it on the tawa. The masala is Brilliant. And with onion and green chutney. Oh, succulent. So do try it. It's simply good. Everybody in the family would love it. Children, adults, everybody would love it. It's healthy and tasty. So once you try, share your pics and give your feedback to Uma. I'll be waiting to see your feedback and comments. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy this soya chap roll.
And see you all soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking. Do like, comment and subscribe to MasterChef Mom. Also, share this video with all your friends and family. See you. Bye.